Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact platform. Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac OS changes the method. Once confirmed, make a quick backup or restore point so you can undo changes. Next, stop, sync, and close apps that control notifications because they can re-add the icon while you work. Now open the settings area relevant to your platform and navigate directly to the notifications, widgets, or system tray section so you can remove the clock icon immediately. You now perform the removal. On Android, long press the clock widget or icon, select Remove or Widget Settings, then Confirm. On iOS, tap and hold the widget, pick Edit Home Screen, then delete or hide it from Today View. Make sure to also check focus modes. On Windows or Mac OS, go to System Tray or Menu Bar Settings and toggle the clock display off. If it's part of a third-party app, uninstall or disable that app. Keep an eye for permissions that allow icon persistence. You finish by restarting the device so the UI refreshes and cached elements clear. That usually finalizes removal. Once done, verify that the icon stayed gone and re-enable sync if desired. If the clock icon returns, check Startup Apps and Notification Permissions because background services often recreate icons. As a key troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to isolate and remove the offending third-party service that keeps adding the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.